If you want to build up calf shoulders, work on your side delts, you must do some lateral raise exercises with dumbbell, cables, any kind of lateral raises. But the problem with lateral raise, it is exactly like double-edged sword. It can build your body or it can break your symmetry. Many people develop their traps by using lateral raise because they use their traps to do the exercise. Just look at this guy. He's using his, traps. Don't use their side delts. They use only traps to do, lateral raise. There are a couple of things that you can do. First, don't go heavy and, use momentum. Okay? Take 2 dumbbell, light, and go to the side. Drive to the side. Things that you are like a bird. You open your wings. Don't use your traps. Don't go up. Or you can use incline bench. A little bring it down. And do lateral raise here. It's 10 o'clock 10. Not side, not front. This is my favorite, especially for women. Okay, only your side delts is working. Use only your side delts. See, when you go up here, only here work. Another thing that you can do to lateral raise here in, incline bench, go up, go down. It's all your side delts. And you can also bring it from here if you want to stretch your rail a little bit and your side more. And go here. Just be careful when you're doing lateral raise. It is the best exercise. Without it, you cannot have cap shoulders, round shoulders. But this is the problem that I see the people develop their traps, especially I want to emphasize, and women, and it's destroy the symmetry. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please write in comments for me. Thank you.